For today's video, we will answer a math challenge given by one of our followers. And the question goes like this. Given this equation, 25 raised to the power of x plus 25 raised to the power of negative x equals 34, then the goal is to find the numerical value of 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of negative x. Pause this video right now and see if you can answer this question, because I will show you the solution in 3, 2, 1. So given this equation, 25 raised to the power of x plus 25 raised to the power of negative x equals 34, then the goal is to find the numerical value of 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of negative x. Now in this question, we don't have any restriction for x. And now, to answer this kind of question, what we're going to do is to get first the expression that we want to evaluate. So we have 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of negative x. Now, given this expression, we have a negative exponent. So what we're going to do is to apply some laws of exponent. Now, to make this exponent positive, what we're going to do is just take the reciprocal of 5 raised to the power of negative x. So we have 1 over 5 raised to the power of positive x. This is just the same thing. Alright, now, the goal is to find the value of this, and the given is 25 raised to the power of x. So we have here 5. And to have 25, what we're going to do is, of course, to square this expression. And to square this, we will apply square of binomial. So if we have a plus b raised to the power of 2, this is simply equivalent to the square of the first term plus 2 times the product of the first and the second term plus the square of the last term. So if we apply this to our expression, we have square of the first term plus 2 times the product of the first and the second term plus the square of the last term. Now, also take note, 5 raised to the power of x times 1 over 5 raised to the power of x, this is technically equivalent to 1. And now, let's rearrange some terms a little bit. And notice this expression, 5 raised to the power of x raised to the power of 2. Now, we will apply some laws of exponent. Take note, when we have b raised to the power of a raised to the power of c, we can rewrite this as b raised to the power of c raised to the power of a. So we can interchange the exponent. Therefore, this expression, we can rewrite this as 5 raised to the power of 2 raised to the power of x. Similarly, we will do the same thing to this expression. And 5 squared, we know the value of 5 squared. This is just 25. Now, at this point, we will now use the given equation, 25 raised to the power of x plus 25 raised to the power of negative x equals 34. Now, take note, if we use some laws of exponent in this expression, and if we take the reciprocal of this expression, negative x becomes positive x. So this is just 1 over 25 raised to the power of x. Therefore, we know now the value of 25 raised to the power of x plus 1 over 25 raised to the power of x. This is just 34. So we can replace this with 34 like this. And 34 plus 2, this is simply equal to 36. Now, let's focus on this result. And to get the value of 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 over 5 raised to the power of x, what we're going to do is to get the square root on both sides. And take note, we have 2 possible values here. We have positive or negative. Now, square root of 36, this is just 6. Now, since we don't have any restriction for x, so we will accept the answer of positive and negative 6. But take note, if x is a real number, then the value, the only value of 5 raised to the power of x plus 1 over 5 raised to the power of x simply equal to 6. Because this expression is positive. This expression is positive. So, there's no way to get a negative value. Therefore, given this equation, 25 raised to the power of x plus 25 raised to the power of negative x equals 34, given that we don't have any restriction for x, then the value of 5 raised to the power of x plus 5 raised to the power of negative x equals positive or negative 6. But take note, if x is a real number, then we only have 6 as our answer. Therefore, this is our answer. to this question. And as always, we are done.